Hi everyone, it's Asia Group Kanta Job Fair. Today we have a new job need to introduce to you guys. Is this. Okay, the work content is the elevator installation and the working address is in Tokyo-do, Setagaya-ku. And the salary is 300,000 until 500,000. And if you have interest, you can come our job fair. And this is our job fair time, and this is our address. And also we have phone number in here. If you have any question, you can call us. And the last thing is every day you can choose an interviewing company for 40 companies at the job fair, and you can interview 4 to 8 company every day. And the last one, your interviewing result will be available on the same day. Okay, thanks.